Hello प्यारे बच्चों. Now in this session we are going to see how to find out the solution of quadratic equation. So one method is called a factorization, that we are going to see the meaning of factorization and how to solve that steps we are going to see. Now in a quadratic equation, just you remember, factorization means this quadratic equation we have to convert it into the two linear product format. This is the simplest meaning of factorization. So whenever we are doing any factorization, that meaning is we are converting the higher power to the lower power. This is the important thing. So when we will convert, this will look like this, and it will convert into the two linear equation. So after that, just we have to equate px plus q equal to 0, rx plus s equal to 0, and we will get the value of x. So two value we will get. So a step by step process we are going to see. Now find the roots of quadratic equation. This. Now what is the first step we have to take? First of all, we have to see this is the standard form. So definitely x square minus 8x, this is x square minus 8x minus 20, which is already in the standard form. Find out the coefficient, and just by comparing this, we will get the value of a, b, and c. This is the first step that we have to do. Okay. Now, second step, what we have to do, the extreme coefficient, that is a and c, are there. Just multiply a and c and split the ac into the two prime factor in the prime factor. Then two numbers p and q we have to find out, so that p minus q equal to b if sign is c is negative. Now AC is suppose 1 into minus 20. So this is coming minus 20. This is the second step. Now minus 20, once we get, then what we have to find out, that in the middle term is minus 8. So minus 8 possibilities, first of all do the factorization. 2, 10, 2, 5. Correct? Now in this we have to find out the minus 8. What is the possible combination? So this is 10 and this is 2. So definitely 10 should be negative and q should be positive. Correct? So we will get this two value. Now this is nothing but the for the middle term. Now we can write this x square in place of 8, 10 minus 2x minus 20. So after that, just we have split minus 10x minus 2 plus 2x minus 20. After that, from here we take the common x minus 10. From here 2x minus 10. So x minus 10, x plus 2. So after that, just equate the value and we will get the roots of the quadratic equation. This is the simplest way we are finding out the equation. Now same way, just we will follow. Just see. Now x square minus 14x plus 24. Now by factorization method it is written here. So first of all, find out the value of ABC. So AC, extreme product, is 24, and in the middle it is minus 14. So what the combination? 12 and 2. Correct? 12 and 2. That is minus sign is there. Here 12 plus 2. Split this value. We got this is the value, and take the common value and get the result. X minus 2, x minus 12. So this is x equal to 2 and x equal to 12 is nothing but the roots. Now 4 root 3 x square plus 5x minus 2 root 3. Here also the same thing. First of all, do the product of this. This is minus 24. Now this minus 24, how we can write, so that we will get plus 5. So for that, 8 minus 3 we can write. So 8 minus 3, just you expand this term and this term. After that, take the root. 4 common, 4x common, root 3 plus 2. Now one more technique I am going to tell you. Once you identify this value, after that what you can do, just you have to write this value. After that, just you take the constant term, 2 root 3. So definitely root 3 you have to take out. So in this way also you can identify. Just because these two values should be same, then only 4x minus root 3 will come, and root 3x plus 2 will come. So in this way you can write the quadratic equation format in the factorized format. So Here 4x minus root 3, x equal to root 3 by 4, x equal to minus 2 by root 3. Now, all are previous year questions, so it is very, very important. Solve the equation by factorization method. So in this equation, first of all, just you have to multiply. This is, we may write minus 4a by minus 2a plus b plus minus 2a minus b. So this is the very, very important step is here. So just you see. So minus 2a plus b into minus 2a minus b is 4a square minus b square. So this is the very important step how you are writing this. So minus 2a, first of all see a plus b, and if you will see a minus b. So product of 4 and a square minus b square, just you think like that. 4, this is a plus b and a minus b, correct? So here we have to bring minus 4a. So what is the possibilities we have to write this term? So we have to write, first is minus 2a plus b plus minus 2a minus b. So in this way, once we will write, then only we will get the minus 4a. So first of all, you have to write minus 2a plus bx minus 2a minus b. So this step is very, very important step. And first of all, multiply, and here you have to apply the technique. This minus 2a plus b plus minus 2a minus b. And after that, it is the same process. 2x, just take the common. Here also the same, 2x minus a plus b, and this converted into the, this is the factor, this is the factor, and 2x a minus b, this is the value and this is the value. X become a plus b by 2, x become a minus b by 2. So in this way we can find out the value of the roots. Now question number 4, solve the equation by factorization method. Here also do the same thing, wherever the constant is in the this format. So minus 6b square. First of all, once you will multiply 9 and this value, so we will get minus 9 a ka power 4 minus b to the power 4. Now, once we will write this value, then minus 9. So this is a square whole square minus b square whole square. So how to write, just I am showing you, this is a square plus b square, and we can write a square minus b square, correct? Now when the term is like this, so how we can write so that we will get minus 6b square? First you have to focus on this. So here this is minus 9a square, this is in the product format right now. So if we will write here 3a square minus b square minus 3a square plus b square, here you have to apply a little bit common sense. So definitely this become minus 6b square. So only you have to focus how to write this, the product term into this minus 6b square. Once you had written, after that this is nothing but the product format, and this value you have to write 9x square, 3a square minus b square x, 3a square plus b square x, and just take the common. 3x is the common, after that 3x a square minus b square, and here also the write the same thing. After that you will, it's very easy for you to identify the things what is there. So a square plus b square, definitely it is came out, and 3x a square minus b square, 3x minus a square plus b square, x value is this, and this is the another root. So in this way, so this is very, very important step, just you focus, otherwise you'll face problem. So I told you the technique. Now this type of problem is very easy. 1 by x plus 4 minus 1 by x minus 7 equal to 11 by 30. So just take the LCM, and after that bring this into the quadratic equation format. So this is the quadratic equation format, just 11 is there, just divide by 11, and this we got x square minus 3x plus 2. After that easily you can do the factorization. X square minus 3x plus 2, this is the factorization, and we got the value x equal to 2 and x equal to 1. Now 1 by a plus b plus x 1 by. Now try to understand, this problem is very very important. Why? Because here the question is in the reciprocal format, that is 1 by x, 1 by x format is there. So whenever this type of things is there, so 1 by a plus b plus x. So after that what you have to do, just you bring this minus 1 by x in the left side, 1 by a plus 1 by b. After that just you try to solve this, and this value will cut. Once this value will cut, and after that minus 1 by x, a plus b plus x, this is the value, and 1 by ab. On dividing the whatever the value is, upper value will cut. So just multiply by cross multiplication, that is minus ab, and this is the value. So this is the value. Just take the common x plus a, x plus b, and this is nothing but the roots of the given quadratic equation. Now, this is also the very, very important question, where the question just you focus on that. All different type of problem I had written here. So this and this, just you focus on this. This is nothing but the reciprocal to each other. 2x minus 1 here, here 2x minus 1. X plus 3, x plus 3. So one value, just you take the y. If this is y, then definitely this is 1 by y. So we can write this is 2y. This is 3 by y equal to 5. So this is the value, 2y square minus 5y. After that, just you have to do the same process and you get the result. So wherever the important concept is there, that I'm focusing, so that you can understand that things. So y value is 3 and y value is minus 1 by 2. So y equal to 3, then definitely what the value, 2x minus 1. After that, just once we get the y value, after that you have to substitute here y equal to 3. Once you substitute y equal to 3, then what the value of x? Y equal to minus 1 by 3, minus 1 by 2, then what is the value of x? So for both the value, you have to find out the value of x. So x equal to minus 10, and here x equal to minus 1 by 5. So this is the root. Now question 8, 2 by x plus 1, x minus 2. There is no any pattern. So just you straightforward, you have to take the LCM. So just by taking the LCM, this is just by taking the LCM here and solving this. This is the value, just cross multiplication. This is the value, and we are getting x minus 4, 11x plus 23. So x value is 4 and x value is minus 20 by 3 by 11. Here also the same thing, just you have to take the LCM and you have to solve. So just for your practice purpose, I kept this problem. Just you solve and just you cross verify. So answer will come minus 17 and x equal to 3. Now this is question number 10 is very, very important. This is the form of exponential that you have to convert into the quadratic. So 5 to the power x plus 1 and 2 minus x. So whenever this type of question is there, so you have to convert this. This is the exponential form. We can write this 5 to the power x into 5, 5 to the power 2, 5 to the power minus x. So this is the conclusion, 5 to the power x. So just you take 5 to the power x as a y. Just take 5 to the power x equal to 5. So 5 to the power minus x is nothing but 1 by y. Just you have to substitute the value here. This is 5y, 5 into y. This is the y. So and this is 25 by y equal to 126. Correct? After that, how we solve? So based on the same method, we have to solve. So this is the way we can find out the value of. Now, when we will get the value of y equal to 25 and y equal to 1 by 5. Here that we got the two value. So y equal to 5 to the power x. So this 25 we can write 5 to the power 2. So x equal to 2, and 5 to the power x equal to 5 to the power minus 1. 1 by 5 we can write 5 to the power minus 1. So x equal to minus 1. So this is very, very important step. After getting the one value, you have to substitute whatever you assume the value. So I hope all type of problem of the factorization, I had given the lot of problem, just you solve this one. Thank you.